Are you captivated by the sheer possibility of creating something of your own, but not sure which path to take? Today, we dive deep into the three distinct entrepreneurial paths you might embark on: the artist, the entrepreneur, and the hybrid. Understand which trajectory aligns with your passion and how each can evolve over time. Number 1. The artist's journey. Crafting your passion into profit. For those who revel in the act of creation, whether it's crafting furniture, coding software, or designing fashion, turning your craft into a thriving business is all about elevation. For instance, a talented carpenter might start by selling standard pieces but can evolve to create bespoke furniture that commands a premium price, eventually becoming a luxury brand sought after by a high-end clientele. Let's break this down a little more. 1. Master your craft. Continue to hone your skills. 2. Regular practice. Learning from others in your field and staying updated with the latest techniques are crucial. 3. Identify your niche. Determine what makes your work unique. This could be a particular style, material, or method that sets you apart from others. 3. Build your brand. Develop a strong personal or business brand that reflects your artistry. This includes a professional website, active social media presence, and consistent marketing materials. 4. Scale your operations. As demand increases, consider how you can scale your operations without sacrificing quality. This might involve hiring skilled workers, outsourcing certain tasks, or using more efficient tools and technology. 5. Premium pricing strategy. As you gain recognition and your work becomes more refined, adjust your pricing strategy to reflect the premium quality of your offering. Number 2. The entrepreneur's drive. Business as your canvas. If business itself excites you, whether it's flipping properties, launching startups, or managing diverse companies, your art is the art of business. You thrive on the challenge and the variety, much like an artist who switches from watercolors to sculptures, exploring different industries and scaling businesses as your expression medium. 1. Explore multiple ventures. Don't limit yourself to one industry or idea. Experiment with different types of businesses to understand where your interests and strengths lie. 2. Develop business acumen. Gain a solid understanding of business fundamentals such as finance, marketing, and operations. Consider taking courses or earning certifications related to business management. 3. Build a diverse network. Networking with other entrepreneurs and business professionals can provide insights, partnerships, and opportunities that you might not encounter otherwise. 4. Embrace risk and innovation. Always be on the lookout for new opportunities and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Innovation is key to staying relevant and competitive. 5. Optimize and pivot. Regularly review your business strategies and be willing to make changes or pivot completely if something isn't working. This agility can be crucial to long-term success. Number 3. The hybrid path. Blending skills for innovative success. A perfect example of the hybrid path is Tobias Lütke, the founder of Shopify. Starting as a coder who loved creating perfect e-commerce pages, he scaled his passion by partnering with business-minded individuals who could drive the company's growth, allowing him to focus on product development while still playing a significant role in business decisions. 1. Identify your core skill and passion. Understand what aspect of your work you love the most and can do best, whether it's product development, customer engagement, or creative design. 2. Partner with complementary skills. Look for co-founders or team members whose skills complement yours. For example, if you're a tech genius, partner with someone who excels in sales and marketing. 3. Delegate to scale. As your business grows, delegate responsibilities that are outside your core skill set. This allows you to focus on innovation and product development. 4. Maintain oversight. Even as you delegate, keep an overview of all business operations to ensure that everything aligns with your vision and standards. 5. Continued learning and adaptation. Stay involved in all aspects of your business at some level. Continued learning about new trends and technologies in your industry will help you innovate and stay competitive. Navigating changes. Evolving your entrepreneurial journey. Entrepreneurship is not a static journey. For example, someone passionate about fitness might open a gym only to discover they enjoy the business aspects more than personal training. This pivot from an artist-focused path to a more entrepreneurial role can lead to new opportunities and business models. So ask yourself, which path will you choose? As we explored the different paths to entrepreneurship, remember, the journey is highly personal and adaptable. Whether you start as an artist and evolve into an entrepreneur or begin with a business mindset, what's important is finding what truly drives you and allows you to thrive. Unsure which path suits you? Dive into your passions, experiment with projects, and be sure to keep watching our videos for inspiration to guide you towards your true calling. See you next time!